Ladies and gentlemen, starting a small business means dedicating a lot of your time to making company a success. If you allow me today in this short video, I want to share with you 5 things a small business owner should avoid. Number 5, not knowing your place in the market. A primary reason why small businesses fail is because the owner has no idea where he stands in the market. You have to pay attention to your target market. Also, you need to focus on your opponents and what your customers demand from your business. Number 4, thinking you can do it all alone. As humans, we can't do all the work alone. You need to stop trying to do everything yourself. You can delegate work and ask others for help. You will run a more productive business if you hire the right team and assign work to others. Number 3, thinking income and profit are the same things. Your income is not your profit. If you treat your income only as your profit, it will be hard to increase your overall business wealth. Number 2, being afraid of marketing. Marketing can be word of mouth, traditional advertising, internet marketing. There are no rules when it comes to marketing. The best type of marketing for you depends on your business and your target customers. The mistake is that you feel you don't need to market and the business will come to you automatically. Number 1, not having a solid business plan. Many small businesses fail because the owner don't develop a solid business plan. Knowing that what you want to sell is just an idea. If you want success, you have to go inside of the idea and create a plan for turning it into business successful. You need to figure out how you are going to find your business. You will also need to create a strong marketing plan for your business. Is there anything else you would like to know more about and wish was included in this video? Let me in the comments below. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.